when she moves. I go crazy because she looks like a flower, but she stings like a bee. Like every girl in history. She bad. And so, yeah, Estelle about to get down the wall right now. Just chopped out in London town. I think it'd be something or other, and I don't know the words. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to see LA. I really want to.
Brad? Right now. Okay. Okay. Famous last words.
Scott, you better be ready to move.
What do you want us to tell your mother?
I don't know.
Quesadilla.
Mener at vi mangler noen som må drive beskjed om det. Cirka 50 minutter kjøretid herifra til Göteborg. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to proceed to Göteborg, so I presume that everybody who's supposed to be with us is on board.
Alright, I hope I got that.
Approximately 50 minutes driving time from Göteborg.